dream, so I can't be out here living stupid. I love hard.
What's up, vlog? We're heading to Animal Kingdom right now. It's just me and Caitlin this morning. My mom and my dad are gonna have a chill day and let my mom rest a little bit more. Yeah, I think we're gonna go just to Animal Kingdom. We've got a fast pass for Avatar and Everest. And then we have a few snacks there that we've been wanting to get. We weren't planning on going to Animal Kingdom, but it just worked out this way. I'm a college athlete again. I'm literally wearing my travel fit. So yeah, we're going to the bus right now to go to the park. Once again, this lighting is ass. See you guys later. Say bye to the vlog. Bye vlog. To get some breakfast, I got a coconut iced coffee with a pistachio honey croissant. Hopefully the coffee is good. I'm gonna be sad if it's not. If I had to give any advice to anybody, it's just to not get the coffee at Disney. It's not good. No. I even asked for extra condensed milk to try to give it a chance. And Caitlin got like this scrambled thing. Damn. I thought that the croissant was filled with pistachio. Just regular. Another L. A little cheaper though. This was $4. This was $4. Is it Snicky? I have no idea. Bad Boys? Oh, that's right. Snicky. No? Alright, whatever. Hey vlog, change of plans. We're going to Narcosis to eat dinner. Everyone's on the balcony. Caitlin. My mom, look how beautiful she is. Okay, everyone wonders why they're not in the vlogs. Anyways, but we're going to dinner. This is the fit. I think I just squeezed too hard. My groin hurts. Yeah, that's about it. Here's my dad. All right. What's up, vlog? We're here.
I'm not surprised.
We're walking right now. Y'all can see this hotel is bougie. See in there, vlog. What's up, vlog? We're at downtown Disney. Just ate some cookies. If y'all saw, I'll probably put that in there. I'm gonna end the vlog here today. It's like starting to rain, and I'm also just about to pass out. I'm very tired. So hopefully you can hear me. I'll see you tomorrow, vlog.
Hey, so, conscious. She getting crazy, yo. She getting crazy.